I'm going to show you how you can download and start playing Stellar Blade completely for free. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So all you need to do is firstly go to Steam. If you don't have it, you will need to install it. And then right here at the search text field, you need to search for Stellar Blade. So you should find it at the first result. Click on View Page. And now right here we have two different options. So if we want to play this demo, it's like a free trial to test the game. You can click on download and then play the game for free, or you can buy the full version right here. So we can add it to our card, view my card, continue to payment. Now you will need to mark this checkbox and purchase. So this should take a few seconds and you should have the full version of the game. So you also have 2 hours to test and try the game, and if you don't like it, you can ask for a refund and they will give you your money back. So now you need to click install the content and select your drive and just click on install and the download will begin. So after it ends, you will have your game ready on your library like I do right here. I'm gonna search it and you can play it, and after 2 hours you can ask for a refund as well. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.